External PC power button, wireless. That's all it comes with. A little baggie. First you have the button itself. Runs on these button batteries. Don't know what it is yet. Let's see what that is. All right, got that off. Just pops off. You gotta pull it off pretty hard though. Don't know what this is. All right, I'm not gonna peel it up myself, but there are these prongs you can pull up, and then you can access the button battery on the bottom. But right now there's battery, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Snapped it back on. That's it. There's a little 3M sticker. Maybe you want to stick it on your desk or something, wherever you want. Wires connect to your motherboard, and then the actual wireless module itself that connects to the motherboard too. Scan to view the tutorial, so if you want to scan this, you'll be able to see it. Just to show the wires. Got 2 zip ties. Open this up. Be careful with this one. This is the wireless antenna, I guess, let's say. And then, like I said, this connects into your motherboard. Then this is probably a reset button or something, I'm not sure. Two female pins. And that is about it. So with the wire that it comes with, you plug it into the first slot here. I'm not sure if the orientation matters, I don't think so, for the red and black wire. But in this case, I have it plugged in. And then so now this goes into the motherboard where your case plug we pulled out. So there's the power SW, so I'll pull this out. Okay. And then now, this orientation, I'll put this red one into the left, into the exact same pin that I just pulled out. So let me plug this one back and accidentally pulled that one out. There we go. Red will go in. Right, so basically pull the power SW out, put the new plug in, same slot. So now this is connected to this, and then that original power SW needs to be plugged into this second slot here. And then this will go onto one of these slots. Not sure what these are called, but that should be it. And then you can try turning on your computer with the power button. And that's it.